Following is the text of agreement between India and China on the maintenance of peace and tranquility along the line of actual control, signed by the Indian Minister of State for Foreign Affairs and the Chinese Vice Foreign Minister in the presence of the Indian Prime Minister and the Chinese Premier on the 7th day of September 1993 at Beijing. Agreement between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of People's Republic of China on the maintenance of peace and tranquility along the line of actual control in India China border area. The Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the People's Republic of China, hereinafter referred to as the two sides, have entered into the present agreement in accordance with the 5 principles of mutual respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity, mutual non-aggression, non-interference in each other's internal affairs, equality and mutual benefit and peaceful coexistence, and with a view to maintaining peace and tranquility along the actual line of control in the India-China border areas. The two sides are of the view that the India-China boundary question shall be resolved through peaceful and friendly consultations. Neither side shall use or threaten to use force against the other by any means, pending an ultimate solution to the boundary question between the two countries. The two sides shall strictly respect and observe the line of actual control between the two sides. In case personnel of one side cross the line of actual control upon being cautioned by the other side, they shall immediately pull back to their own side of the line of actual control. Where necessary, the two sides shall jointly check and determine the segments of the line of actual control where they have different views as to its alignment. Each side will keep its military forces in the areas along the line of actual control to a minimum level compatible with the friendly and good neighborly relations between the two countries. The two sides agree to reduce their military forces along the line of actual control in conformity with the requirements of the principle of mutual and equal security to ceilings to be mutually agreed. The extent, depth, timing and nature of reduction of military forces along the line of actual control shall be determined through mutual consultations between the two countries. The reduction of military forces shall be carried out by stages in mutually agreed geographical locations sector-wise within the areas along the line of actual control. Both sides shall work out through consultations effective confidence building measures in the areas along the line of actual control. Neither side will undertake specified levels of military exercises in mutually identified zones. Each side shall give the other prior notification of military exercises of specified levels near the line of actual control permitted under this agreement. In case of contingencies or other problems arising in the areas along the line of actual control, the two sides shall deal with them through meetings and friendly consultations between a border personnel of the two countries. The form of such meetings and channels of communications between the border personnel shall be mutually agreed upon by the two sides. The two sides agree to take adequate measures to ensure that air intrusions across the line of actual control do not take place and shall undertake mutual consultations should intrusions occur. Both sides shall also consult on possible restrictions on air exercises in areas to be mutually agreed near the line of actual control. The two sides agreed that references to the line of actual control in this agreement do not prejudice their respective positions on the boundary question. The two sides agree through consultations on the form, method, scale and content of effective verification measures and supervision required for the reduction of military forces and the maintenance of peace and tranquility in the areas along the line of actual control under this agreement. Each side of the India-China Joint Working Group on the boundary question shall appoint diplomatic and military experts to formulate through mutual consultations implementation measures for the present agreement. The experts shall advise on the joint working group on the resolution of differences between the two sides on the alignment of the line of actual control and address issues relating to the redeployment with a view to reduction of military forces in the areas along with the line of actual control. The experts shall also assist the joint working group in supervision of the implementation of the agreement and settlement of differences that may arise in that process based on the principle of good faith and mutual confidence. The agreement is subject to amendments and addition by agreement of the two sides.